Chapter 3: Drawing Shapes and Text in Pygame 0. 1. How to draw line. Let's draw various shapes in the window.
Okay. How can I draw a line?
You can draw a line using the screen.draw.line method. The screen.draw.line method can draw the line in the window. You can define the starting point, the end point, and the color of the line with the screen.draw.line method. Let's write the code.
What does this code mean?
The code draws the line in the window using the screen.draw.line method. Parameter 1 defines the starting point of the line in coordinates. Parameter 2 defines the end point of the line in coordinates. Parameter 3 defines the color of the line. Let's run the code. The black straight line is drawn in the window.